Today I just want to go over how to count to 100. So when you're first learning a language, you're probably going to want to know how to say your numbers. If you just see it written out in numerical form in a book, a lot of times it's really hard to actually know how to pronounce it. So I'm just going to go quickly through the numbers and how to formulate your numbers 1 through 100. So starting out, 1 through 10, you're simply going to go 1, okay? So 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so one more time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1 through 10. 11 through 20. You have the same pattern going from 11 through 16 and then a different pattern from 17 through 20. So 11 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then you switch over at 17. So you go 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so one more time. 11, starting with 11, is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then switch over, 17, 18, 19, 20 is 20. Okay, so then you have the same pattern pretty much from then on. So from 20 to 30 is going to follow the same pattern that 30 to 40 and 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, 60 to 70, all the way up is going to follow. So with 21, you say 21. So 21, 21, and then after that, you pretty much just add the next number. So 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, you kind of take out the E there, 28, 29, and 30. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So from then on, so 31, we'll just do one more set. 31, 32, 33, 34, 30, it's a tongue twister, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so 40 is 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100 is 100. So, starting from 30, again, we go 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped a little bit, and I will see you next time. Ciao!